Hey guys, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so welcome to a clean with me. This has been a long time coming. I promised in my other clean with me video, my Vanity edition clean with me, that I would not let this get to this point. I promised that I would clean this more than once every 6 months, but well, it's been 6 months. I know that seems like a really long time not to clean your vanity, and honestly, it is a really long time, but I've had the craziest year. I've had the craziest summer. I work all the time, and even when I'm home, I'm working because I'm doing YouTube. So I finally just was like, I cannot deal with this mess anymore. I need to fix it. I need to clean it. And I thought I would just document it by filming a YouTube video, because I feel like by this point that it looks like this right now, it's going to be very, very satisfying to see it clean finally. So I'm gonna grab some Lysol wipes, and I'm going to do this as, I was gonna do this as a clean with me and like talk to you guys while I'm cleaning, but honestly it's just so much and I won't be able to focus on what I'm saying. So I am going to do this as like a time lapse, so you guys will kind of see, you know, how I end up making this mess go away. So I will show you guys a before and after, and then we'll get into the cleaning. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that it looks like this right now. It's so embarrassing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload every single day for the month of December until the 25th for Vlogmas. I know that this is not at all Christmas themed related at all, but I think a good clean with me is kind of a nice little break from like holiday festivities and stuff like that. I know people do cleaning for like New Year's and stuff like that, so just think of this as like an early New Year cleaning, you know, before the end of the year type thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so that is the time-lapse portion of my vanity cleanup. So I think this might have took probably like 30 minutes to clean altogether, but of course my time-lapse put it into like 24 seconds of footage, which was really cool, so I don't have to like, you know, edit it and fast forward it and all of that stuff. So unfortunately that's not really the end of my cleaning. I still have to put my palettes away. I have to find a place for my palettes because my makeup storage is actually full. Also, I have to wash all of these brushes. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. This is gonna take me a while. There's actually some in here that are clean. I'm just gonna take them out and put them away, and then take some of my other dirty ones and put them back in here. So I still have to wash my brushes. I still have to put my makeup away. That's only step one, was actually like cleaning my vanity. But I actually do like the lighting in here for some reason. Like, I don't know why I don't film in here, but I kind of like the lighting.
Let it snow,
I swear this video is going to be filmed in like 3 or 4 different days. That's how long it's actually taken me to finish filming this video. So basically I was doing a vanity clean with me, and I need to try to clean my makeup storage just a little bit, just so I can fit whatever wasn't fitting on my vanity like in there. So basically this is going to be kind of like the last, not the last clip of the video, but this is going to be the last little clean with me until it's actually finally fully clean, I would say. So I still need to work on stuff like destashing this a little bit and all of that good stuff, but today I'm just going to try to make some room, try to fit everything in here for now that I can, and that is going to be the completion of this video finally. Like I said, I feel like I've been filming this on so many different days. I also have a Christmas party to go to today. I still have to upload today's Vlogmas. Like, today's just a hot mess, and it's like one of my only days off. Tomorrow I'm going hiking, so that's gonna be another video. Anyways, my closet is kind of a disaster right now, so if you see anything in the background, excuse that. I have all of my Christmas gifts in here, as well as I need to recycle some stuff like packaging, and like I have stuff like this, like makeup samples and stuff like that, that I need to get rid of. So it is a complete mess right now, but excuse that. So I'm going to try to fit some of my palettes into my makeup storage, and then yeah, I will be very happy to finally finish this video and to put it up. Okay, so this is finally the last clip of the video that you guys are going to be seeing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me. I kind of wanted to do a more chatty clean with me versus like a time-lapse sort of video, but it ended up being a time-lapse video. I've been kind of just like lacking energy lately and just been, you know, working all the time and doing Vlogmas as well, so I don't really have a whole lot to talk about other than, you know, Vlogmas, I guess. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload every single day until the 26th of December, and hopefully I can maybe in the spring do a full, you know, like makeup destash video, because as you guys can see, my drawers are completely overstuffed. They're overfull. I can never find anything that I'm specifically looking for, so I need to go through my makeup and, you know, do like a deep clean and get rid of stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys soon. Bye!